Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Chinese Bhel. Take hot boiling water. Add salt to taste. Drizzle some oil. Add 200 grams any noodles or spaghetti. Boil and follow the package instructions. Remove when 90% noodle is cooked. Drain and rinse with cold water. Drizzle some oil so noodles won't stick. Dust 1/4 cup corn flour on noodles. Give it a good mix. Coat it well. Cook coated noodles in hot oil. Let it fry. Stir occasionally. Flip and fry well. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Repeat same procedure for another one. Crush fried noodles. Keep aside for a while. In another bowl, add 3 tablespoons Szechuan chutney, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, ½ teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Give it a good mix. Now add all the veggies. Add 1/2 cup cabbage, 1/2 capsicum julienne cuts, 1/2 cup grated carrots. Now add spring onions. Add 1 to 2 green chilies or as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add salt to taste. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Transfer fried noodles into veggies bowl. Combine well. Street-style Chinese Bhel is ready to serve. Enjoy. Time to plate. Garnish with spring onion greens. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.